So in this video, I will walk you through step by step how you can log in to an existing broker account on Metatrader 5 on your desktop or Mac. Now this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing, once we have opened up our Metatrader 5 on Mac or Windows, so if we go to the top, click on File, you can then select Open an Account, and this is the way that I do it personally. Now what we can do is go to where it says add a new company. So for example, if I am trading on Vantage Markets, what I would do is search for Vantage. You then want to click on the Find Your Company button here. That will then bring up all of the relevant search results. And if you scroll down, if you don't find the one that you use at the top here, scroll down, find the one that you want, click on this, and then click on Next. And then from here, you've got an option between different ones here. So open a real account, demo account, or connect an existing trade account. Now to do this, what you will need is your login credentials, which will be provided by the broker that you do trade with. So you want to go over to your broker dashboard, get your credentials, enter in your login into here. And then you also want to enter in your password into the password option. Now, where it says server, if you go to the drop down, make sure that you select the correct one, and this will also be provided by the broker that you are trading with. So for example, Vantage Global Prime Live 2, enter in your login details, click on finish, and then that will then log you in to your Metatrader 5 on your broker on a Mac or desktop PC.